So, naano ba? Familiar sa inyong hadiriya sa Finma Maayo Tubok or sa Finma Properties or mga naka-join ba og PKS?
Basta sumamam kay wala jud apil ma'am, pakabalo.
Wala pa. Okay, sige. Karon pa ko, ma'am. Okay, thank you for that chat, ma'am. Okay, sige, ilahon na to karon si Finma Maayo Tubok. First PKS, okay. Sige, thank you so much, no? RME Realty for joining us for your first PKS or to those na wala pa nakabalo sa to ang project. Anyway, so again, I'm gonna be sharing my my screen. Okay. All right. So, before we will dig the project mismo, no, for the Finma Maayo Tubok, I will be giving you the brief background of who Finma Property is or who Finma is. Okay, so kasi most of us, I think, dili familiar kung kinsa si Finma, no? So, sige, I'm gonna play a video, so let's watch this.
What would make our lives better? What would make our future brighter? We believe that it would be different industries working together towards achieving this singular goal. It would be companies and institutions providing services and organizations that would not just make life easier, but for a flourishing future. It would be people empowered with a renewed sense of value and pride. Together, let's build a stronger country. Together, let's move towards a brighter future. Together, let's make our lives better with Finma. We are all guided by our creed. Social responsibility is our business. Our business is our social responsibility. That is why we at Finma are driven to serve our people and our country. Our mission is to make lives better. That is why Finma has established businesses in different sectors and industries, providing not just employment for many skilled and talented Filipinos, but more affordable quality products and services in education, steel building systems, housing, hospitality, and consulting. Affiliated to the Finma group of companies is Union Galva Steel Corporation. Born in 1963, it has since provided a reliable and steady supply of high-quality galvanized and pre-painted steel roofing, steel decking products, building systems components, and insulated panels for residential, commercial, and industrial markets. After, Finma Properties Holdings Corporation was set up, initially focusing on property management and eventually evolving into Finma Properties. It is now a multi-awarded developer of low-cost, medium-rise housing projects, as well as a pioneer in the socialized housing sector. Adding to its impressive resume, Finma entered into education with Finma Education. Finma Education was launched with the acquisition of Araulio University in Cabanatuan and has now transformed the low-end education landscape to be not just competitive, but at par with the country's best universities. At present, it has 5 schools providing affordable, quality education, as exemplified in their board results and job placement. With the current travel and tourism boom, Finma's previous investment in the Microtel chain of hotels has demonstrated that it has not only insight, but business foresight. With 13 hotels nationwide, we are well positioned to continue to make the lives of our international guests and the Filipino travelers better by providing quality service and accessible, affordable accommodations nationwide. Now you ask, what lies in Finma's future? Health? Social services? Public transport? For Finma, it is not a question of what the Filipinos need, but what the Filipinos deserve. So, what is Finma all about? For some, it is a badge of honor. It is where the mission-oriented converge. Rightly so, because it is a group that exists to support the growing Philippine economy and steer the country towards prosperity through many of its business ventures: housing, steel building systems, tourism, education, and consulting. But for many, it is not just a company, but a way of life. FINMA stands for integrity, competence, professionalism, and patriotism. These are our standards for success. FINMA, lighting a way to a better future, committed to making lives better.
All right, so that's the background of our company. So as you have seen already, so FINMA is not just in property and development, but we are also in construction materials, hospitality, education, and financial services. So we are actually a group of companies. Okay, so we are established in 1960s, and we have been in the industry for FINMA properties or in property and development for more than 30 years already, actually. So we are in construction materials. Mo ni siya ang first actually na project or product ni FINMA Properties ang iyahang sa construction materials, the Union Galva Steel. May I know if who among you here ang familiar kay Union Galva Steel? Okay. Kay I know that kung madungog ninyo FINMA Properties, dili siya kaayo familiar, pero pag moingon kag Union Galva Steel, so usually dara ta familiar labi na sa tuang mga taga Davao, because Union Galva Steel was established here very long time ago already. So ayan, familiar siya, diba? So, and we are also have another company for construction materials, which is the FINMA Solar and the Phil Cement. Okay, and in hospitality, we have acquired. Okay, we already handled the Microtel Inn and Suites by Windham, Trip by Windham. So if you are familiar with the Microtel here in Lanang or in Damosa, so si FINMA po ang nag-handle ani. Okay, and then for property and shelter or property and development, mo na ni kita to, the FINMA Properties, and we have also schools, no? So sa part sa education, we have schools in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and in financial services, we have the FINMA Insurance Brokers Incorporated. So again, FINMA is not just in the property development, but we are a group of companies with a lot of companies under it. Okay, so decades of unparalleled service. So FINMA Properties is a subsidiary FINMA Corporation, so under the property development category. And sa giingon ako kaganina, so we are in the industry for more than 30 years already. Started sa ato ang mga high-end na mga project actually in Luzon. Okay, so sa Luzon ta nag-start, which is ang unang project nato for high-end kay ang Mariposa Square, Quezon City, in the year 1987. So naapod tay Mariposa Village, no? So and we have also the mark, ayan. So ayan, Mariposa Square and Mariposa Village. Okay? So these are the projects that we started. So sa high-end ta nag-start. And kaning sa lower part na makita ninyo, so we have the Hacienda Balay QC in 2013. And here in Davao City, we started the first project of FINMA Properties, which is the Arezzo Place Davao. Who among you here are familiar with Arezzo Place Davao ba? Kinsa sa inyo ang nakabalo or nakakita na sa ato ang project ani? Okay, all right, sige. Ayan, so yes, we started actually this project in 2014. So it is located in Doña Pilar, no, in Barangay Pampanga. So ano lang yun siya, mid-rise nato siya nga condominium. And then in 2021, we have Uniplace in Cebu City. So this is our project in Visayas. And we have the Metro Town, no, in 2021 also, condominium pud ni siya. Okay, so mo ni ang ato ang mga project. And we have still a lot more projects actually with Finma Properties. Okay, so Finma making lives better. So this is our tagline, or this is our mission actually, making lives better. Okay, so Finma is actually a proudly Filipino conglomerate that seeks to make lives better and build a nation through successfully run and profitable businesses, no, that upholds our core values. No? Ang core values kasi natin dito is the integrity, competence, and professionalism and love for country. So we always embrace the traditions and cultures of being a Filipino because ang tag-iya no ni Finma as a company kay solely or truly full-blooded Filipino. So ayan. And then this is our mission and vision. So Finma Properties commits itself to making lives better for its customers and employees, not just for the company, but also for you, no, as our partners. And this is also our brand promise. The Filipino dream is simple. Dali lang man or simple lang man ang gusto nga pagpanginabuhi so sa ka Pinoy or kita, diba? So to live a comfortable life. So this is what we wanted to give you also, no, as we have our projects in Finma Properties. So makapuyo or comfortable na life. Yan. And then weaving traditions. So we weave traditions actually into our project. So we weave, number one, we weave values into our development, hindi malayo sa pamilya, because our projects is, of course, near sa schools, near sa offices, and even groceries, or near the ones that you love. And also, we weave comfort into our designs. Hindi dayuhan, kundi tunay na Pilipino. As again, we wanted to embrace the patriotism or the love for country. And we weave malasakit into our sales. Hindi customer, kundi kaibigan. So, no, we are sales associates, are your friends who will always put you first. So, dili siya na pang one time lang ang ato ang relationship no sa atong mga clients. For you here na medyo dugay na sa ato ang sa sales na industry, diba? If naatay mga clients, we wanted to build relationships sa ilaha because we wanted to sad sa ilahang trust. Okay? Then we weave togetherness into our communities, hindi kanya-kanya kundi iisa. So we build welcoming communities where every celebration can be shared with neighbors and of friends. Okay, so there are 3 pillars actually in Finma Properties. So these pillars represents our projects in here. Okay, so we have the low end, high end, and low end, mid end, and the high end. So for low end, we have the Finma Magiting. So Magiting means great or brave. So for Finma Magiting, ang mga low cost or the economic housing natin are in Luzon. We are not yet here in Davao or in Mindanao. So naapa lang dito as Luzon. And then for our mid-end, we named it Finma Maayo. So maayo means goodness, of course. No? So mo na siya itong mga mid-end na mga projects. And then for our high-end project, we have the Finma Likha. So likha means to create. So actually, for Finma Properties, you have the Likha Residences Davao. If you have heard, we launched the project last June 1. So we just launched this project as a high-end project natin. So the Finma Likha or the Likha Residences Davao located in Doña Asuncion, diri gihapon sa Sasa. Ayan, so that are our mo na itong mga pillars, Finma Magiting, Finma Maayo, and Finma Likha. Okay, so dito tayo. So Finma Maayo. So the name itself, we derived it from a Cebuano dialect, of course. So familiar kaayo ta kay mga Bisaya man ta. So Maayo means goodness. So it's used every day in greetings, well wishes, and in showing someone you care, no? So, or mayong buntag, mayong udto, mayong hapon, mayong gabi, no? We always use that. And then the logo, so taking inspiration from the traditional weaving, the Finma Maayo logo emulates the famous rattan weave called the Salihia. So if you have seen, no, kaning naa sa ibabaw nga part sa word na Finma Maayo mo na ato ang logo. So ang inspiration nato ani is from that famous rattan weave. Ang pangalan is Sulihia. Okay, so that is found, no, in every local home. So this pattern symbolizes our commitment to Filipino families and traditions, which is to bring traditions and culture close to your homes. Okay, for Finma Maayo naman, we have two projects. Okay, so first, we have the Finma Maayo San Jose. So we launched the Finma Maayo San Jose in 2022 actually. So this is located in Luzon. So sa ano ni siya? Sa Batangas ni siya. So last year, we launched the project Finma Maayo Tugbok. So mo na ni kita. Okay, so mo na ni ang ato ang project na ako ang ihatag na no ng mga information sa inyo ha karon. So the address, it is located in Purok 6A, Upper Riverside, Barangay Riverside, Kalinan, Davao City. So unsa man ang mga project features ni Finma Maayo? Okay, so we have a development size of 9.6 hectares. Okay, and the development type is townhouse and single attached house, and of course, no, ang total number of units ani, we have saleable units of 622, and then unit mix of 50 square meters, 67 square meters, and 80 square meters. Okay, so naatay duha ka townhouses. Ang size niya is 50 square meters and 67 square meters, and we have single attached home which is 80 square meters. Right. So the next video that I will be showing you is our advertisement, no? So let's watch this kay naadri ang brief pod na background of our whole or totality sa ato ang project. So let's watch this video.
The familiar sound of a long day's work. You know it's always part of it. But goodness is just always there to remind us about something. Something to look forward to, especially during weekends. See you. Going for a staycation? Nope. The joy of going to a new home that feels like a staycation, filled with goodness. Finma Maayo Tugbok. Finma Maayo Tugbok is a stress-free community located away from busy Davao City proper, but offers easy access to nearby town centers. Apart from the Davao-Bukidnon Road, it is reachable via several bypass roads that make nearby towns and business centers within range. Soon as you enter the gate, prepare to be transported to a place of serenity, comfort, and convenience. Finma Maayo Tugbok is created with utmost attention to detail for future residents like you and your family. Here, your safety and comfort are always top priority. You can rest easy knowing that your home is built to put up with any potential hazard. So, you can focus on creating memories with your loved ones. With the city's residential zone set to flourish around Tugbok, you will find yourself at the forefront The comfort of your Finma Maayo Tugbok home extends beyond your front door. Take an enjoyable walk to the clubhouse in a friendly and secure neighborhood. At Madeo Clubhouse, you can enjoy a wide variety of recreational activities. Spend quality time staying fit and breaking a sweat on the basketball court. Or indulge in a refreshing dip in the sparkling pool. Maybe even consider a quick recap of your day in the lobby. The possibilities for relaxation are endless. With these thoughtfully included amenities, every day feels like a staycation, like we always look forward to it. Finma Maayo Tubok is truly a thriving community that inspires you to create the life you've always dreamed of. A life of convenience, safety, and comfort for you and your loved ones. Come home to Finma Maayo Tubok. Every day feels like a staycation. It begins here.
Alright, so that's the advertisement no, for Finma Maayo Tubok. So I hope you have already an idea of how beautiful the project is. So Finma Maayo Tubok gives families the opportunity to know the community they live in and fill it with traditions that are close to their hearts and values that reflect their aspirations in life. So Tubok is still not a district that is set to prosper. So if you have since you are no mga salesperson or mga agents no, so makapansin mo ang mga projects nato or South Part kay dito gyud padung no. So no, as you reside at Finma Maayo Tubok no, our mga clients nato no, this is a residence that offers more than what meets the eye and where people like you can grow your roots and of course to thrive, right? So this project is actually a future-proof development. So may buot pasabot sa future-proof development. So it is safe and strategically located on flood-free location. So isa sa mga things na kinahanglan mahibalan sa itong mga kliyente para mo palit sila sa usa ka property kay diba mangutan na magyud na sila kung bahaunon ba ang lugar or dili. So it is of course safe to say that this project or our location no sa Finma Maayo Tubok is really a flood-free location, and it is built with poured concrete and materials of the highest quality. Of course kay we wanted man to give our clients no na ang kaning mga materials nga gigamit nato for this project is high jud ang quality no, kay we wanted na ang ilahang investment dili pod masayang no for a long time gud siya no, for matagalan gud siya. And then this is our location map. Okay, so it is located at Tubok district, so accessible to Davao City proper and nearby town centers. Of course, the Mintal and Kalinan, so duol siya diri. And then it is a short drive away from the main highway of the Bukidnon Road. So as you can see here, actually naatay mga tulo ka dalan na pwede nato agian. Okay, so when you go to, like if you will pass through Mintal na area, so that agi ka din sa may Mintal, adto ka sa may Los Amigos, and if you have already visited the Lantaw Bukid, so there is nga area across that road is una siya ang dalan pasulod ngadto sa Finma Maayo Tubok. Okay, so duol na lang na siya actually. But you can also pwede ka mo agi diri sa may Ula na area, Barangay Ula. Okay, so you can pass through like from Catalunan Grande na highway, and then agi ka diri sa may Dekatahunan, and then largo na lang gina siya, straight na lang gina siya. No, and then you will go to Finma Maayo Tubok. And then if you will Google Map, actually tudon kaniya ngadto sa Maamagtuod. Okay, so diri ka sa ibabaw. So from Maamagtuod going down to Biao Road. So naa siya mga ano gyud ng mga dala na pwede nato mga agian. So there are 3 ways no na pwede nato nga ipang mga options na pwede nato agian. So from here from Finma Maayo Tugbok nato nga location 10 minutes away from this location is actually abot na ka sa Kalina na sentro. So Kalina na ni nga ano nga area. So doon na lang ta actually. Okay? And then also isa sa mga ginapangutana sa to sa kliyente if ang kani nga area safe ba ni siya kung tinglinog na. Okay, so we have this assessment, ground rupture, safe po tayo. And then approximately 1 kilometer east of the Central Davao Fault System is the Dako Daw Fault. No? So naay Dako Daw Fault diri sa may Biao na area. So earthquake-induced landslide naman, safe naman po tayo. So we have already tested no from our government if safe ba ning ato ang project. Of course, no since we have nakatest man ta sila and then pasado man gyud ta. So ayan, ground rupture safe, earthquake induced landslide safe po tayo. Okay? And then key distances when it comes to schools. So what are the schools na duol diri sa ato ang project? We have the Tubok National High School, we have the San Pedro College, Holy Cross of Mintal, Philippine Science High School, Holy Child School of Davao, University of the Philippines, and when you go to like diri na nga baba na area sa Bangkal and Matina, we have the Ateneo de Davao Senior High and the Ateneo de Davao High School. And when it comes naman to commercial centers, dili na kinahanglan ang ato ang mga clients or mga investors nato na they will go to downtown para mamalit because naa na may duol na mga grocery stores di ato. So we have the NCCC Choice Mart, we have the Quezano Capital Mintal, SM Save More, SM City Davao, no? And when you go down na, so dari na sa Matina nga area, we have SNR, then Felcra Central, and then Baquerahan Public Market, and of course na atay duol na mall pod dari sa may Mintal, we have the Vista Mall. Okay, so key distances when it comes to hospitals naman, ang pinakaduol na hospital dito is the Holy Spirit Community Hospital, which is 9.7 kilometer away from Finma Maayo Tugbok. So that's 15 minutes lang siya. So duol lang kita. And then mostly of our hospitals are located in downtown areas, right? If makapansin mo, naagid siya diri sa downtown na area. Although we have hospitals here in Matina, no, na dapit. So naay duha ka dagko nga hospitals pundera. So key distances to tourist spots naman, tourist spots attractions, we have the Lantaw Bukid, Deka Wake Park, Malagos Garden Resort, Eden Nature Park, Seagull Mountain Resort, and of course this area is ang dalan padung sa Buda. Okay, so doon na lang gyud og mga laaganan. Okay, and then key distances when it comes to transportation, we have the Southern Mindanao Transport Terminal, of course, the Ecoland Terminal or the Davao City Overland Transport Terminal, and so far we only have one airport as of now. So we have the Francisco Bangoy International Airport. Kani siya medyo layo-layo gyud ta, no, aning dapita. All right. Okay, so market landscape natin. So these are the key demographic highlights, no, for Davao region. Okay, so for Davao region, kung unsa kadaghan ang mga lumulupyo or mga ang population, sa kadako ang population nato. So we have 5 regions in Davao, right? So gi-add niya diri si Davao City. So ang pinakataas na daghan na namuyo diri kay ang Davao City. So this study is in 2020, but now in 2024, no, 1.8 something pa lang siya, pero karon nearing 2 million na po tayo in 2024 actually. So taas gihapon og population sa Davao City, maybe because daghang nag-migrate dere, daghang na, no, daghang nagabalhin gyud diri. So ibig sabihin, the more people who are living here, the more clients or investors na pwede nato mabaligyan. right? And then for nearby administrative districts of Davao naman, no, ang number 1 na pinakagamay. Okay, so nagsugod di siya sa pinakagamay na population. No, so we have the Kalinan, which is 102,860, and second ang Tugbok, so 135,000. Naad lang na gamay because 4 years ago na. Okay, but if you could see, since gamay pa lang ang ato ang population diri sa Tugbok na area, ibig sabihin dili siya congested, no? So mingaw siya, no? This location offers opportunity, serenity, and safety, of course, to our investors. Yan. Then economic profile ni Davao City. Davao City is a highly urbanized city located in the southern part of the Philippines, no? So if we can mapansin ninyo, ang Davao City is still a mix of urban and rural, no? So Davao City is the safest city, although daghag naga-question kung safe pa ba ang Davao City. Yet still, no, we are. So we really wanted to claim that kay safe pa man gihapon ka magadto sa mga dapit, no? Yeah, oh, diba? I hope that you have heard that. Okay, so ayan, and then smoke-free city ta. So isa ni sa mga gina highlight pud nato, no, for our city. Okay, so then infrastructures nato for Davao City-wide development. So ongoing developments nato, of course, we have the bypass roads and the coastal roads. And on the pipeline, we have the Mindanao Railway project. Soon we will have train here in Davao. So that's from Tagum City to Digos. And then we have the Davao to Samal Bridge, which is, of course, naga-start na siya. And we have the future developments here in Poblacion, of course, to Kalinan District. So Davao City Development Plans proposals in 2045. We have the South Provincial Bus Terminal. We have the Evacuation Center in Los Amigos. We have the Davao City Sports Complex, which is 8 billion ang iyang budget, ana. And then we have the UP Mindanao Campus na 20 hectares. We have the Kalinan People's Park. And I know siguro sa inyo familiar na mo nga ang ato ang regional government center, ang ato ang mga government offices will be relocated there, no? So doon lang gid ta. And then we have the Davao City Science Center, the DJT, and the Davao City College. And then Tugbok is still a flourishing district, and this area is actually known for its potable water, which attracts more locals to settle in the area. So if you would ask me, ma'am, ang tubig sa Tugbok or sa Finma Maayo Tugbok kay kuan ba? Naaba mo'y sariling water na supplier? No, we're still Davao Water District. Okay, so wala nagnegosyo si Finma o tubig, no? So naas ang ato ang source of water gihapon kay si Water District. So ayan, potable ang tubig di adtua. Then for Mintal or Tugbok District, these are the property values. Okay, so properties are still at 45k to 60k per square meters. Whereas sa downtown, double the amount na siya. Ano siya sa 70k to 140k per square meter. So medyo na gyud siya, medyo mahal na gyud siya, no, ang mga properties nato diri sa downtown, no. Kung i-compare dito sa may Tugbok District, so medyo baba pa gyud siya. And the comfort that it offers, of course, not congested, safer and relaxing, better quality of potable water, relatively cooler ang temperature. No, you can still feel the province life there, no? So and then wider road siya, and of course the development within this district it is envisioned to become a suburban center, no? And then we have to be the new downtown and has its own university built and upcoming projects and infrastructure. Okay, so next we will be talking about our target market. So kinsa ang atong mga baligyaan, no? So kinsa ang ang mga target market for Finma Maayo Tugbok. Okay. So one, For our primary target market, we have the end users, future homeowners, and independence seekers na of course nagpuyo or nagrent lang og mga balay duol sa, of course, we have the Talomo District or the Poblacion or katong mga tao na gusto gyud sila magpuyo nga medyo mingaw nga dapit and they wanted to live no in a very mingaw pa nga place. So works in poblasyon or downtown, self-employed. So others, OFW and managerial level if locally employed and retirees. And this project actually, no, kaning Finma Maayo Tugbok is really perfect for those startup family with 1 to 3 kids and has gross income of 60,000 to 150,000. This is very important for us to know because during your reservation, if ever man natin reservation, no, kay we wanted to know the income of our prospect buyers nato, mga clients nato. No, so during ano na siya initial requirement nato na nagapangayo ta sa ilaha og income. Okay, so then has tried sending kid to a school in Tugbok and love it there, and then currently renting an apartment. So uto akong giingon no, and then still wants to purchase a property in Tugbok even if it's relatively far from downtown. Now, because if you wanted to go there, no, if mugikan ka diri sa downtown, it's really makaingon gyud kang medyo layo gyud siya. That's an hour. But of course, our target market are those people who are living there, no, dito Dapipa, no, and really wanted to live in a community which is relaxing and safe, and it is away from the hustle bustle of the city, because you know the city, the Davao City or the downtown is already ano na siya kanang very ano na siya traffic na. Medyo traffic na no, medyo congested na. So if you go there, no, it has a better quality of potable water and fresher and cooler air. Because this area is upland, so makaingon gyud ka, okay. So dili siya duol sa baha, so bugnaw gyud to nga dapit. Okay? And then for our secondary target market, so kinsa ang sunod nato nga baligyaan if ever dili man nato makuha tong primary market. Okay, so of course, dili gyud ni mawala sa ato ang target market ang mga OFW, right? No, because sila man tong medyo ano gyud dako-dako og income, and at the same time they wanted to have makita nila ang ilahang mga gihaguan ngadto sa laing nasud, no? So they belong also in a startup family, so naapay startup pa sila nga family 1 to 3 kids gihapon, so naay gross income na this and that, and di man tamang problema gyud pud kung ang ato ang target market kay mga overseas, no, Filipino workers, because medyo dako man gyud ang ilahang monthly no na income. And then our course tertiary target market are those investors and businessmen. Okay, so kani sila mga investors and businessmen na gusto lang gyud sila nga mo wala sila kagastuhan sila ng mga kwarta, or gusto lang gyud sila makuha og kanang property no na kanang, because ang property value man good no kay nagataas man gyud siya every year. So mo na ginakita sa ato ang mga businessman or mga investors nato. Okay, so mo na siya ang ato ang mga target market, right? And then why choose Finma Maayo Tugbok? So I wanted to give you the reasons nga no kinahanglan ta or why choose gyud no Finma Maayo Tugbok, because number one, this is our promise. This is a complete community. Okay, later on, I will give to you the complete amenities that we offer. And then, number two, it is an accessible, we have an accessible location and community essentials for number three. And we have number four, a community with a vision. Okay, so this is a place where abundance, peace, and hope, and a safe haven that drives you to begin living your best life. Okay, so this one, so this is what we call na ngano complete ang atong community, because we have this, we have a Madayaw Clubhouse. Kaning Madayaw Clubhouse nato unsay naa diri, unsay na ang mga amenities diri. Una, we have the children's swimming pool, we have the adult swimming pool, we have lounge, We have ground floor and second floor lobby. We have function room, conference room, kids play area, fitness gym, and fitness studio. We would like to highlight this one that it is for provision. Ibig sabihin, this is for lease or this is open for our clients who wanted to do business there and wanted to open a gym or a studio. Then, we have also children's playground. So aside from kids play area, this is an indoor. Okay, na ay kids play area sa sulod sa clubhouse nato, and then children's playground, of course, the outside. Okay, and we have the basketball court, outdoor ni siya, and we have the outdoor lounge. Okay, so for a mid-end no project, we could really say that Finma Maayo Tugbok offers really a wide no range of amenities. Then, of course, it is an accessible location, as I have told you a while ago from our location map. So naa siya mga dalan na natay daghang options no na pwede agian nato. Okay, and then community essentials. So we have 3S for our community essentials: the safety, security, and service at the forefront. Okay, so here at Finma Maayo Tugbok, you are given a peace of mind because here sa ato ang project, this is a development which is fully gated siya with 24/7 na security. So we have a roving guard, 24/7 siya, and then we have also a dedicated on-site property management service. Okay, so what is this property management service? So as I've heard, mostly sa mga naagian ako na nga nakandakan ako og seminar, they say that HOAs or the housing associations are samok because there are really a lot of people na bisag kinsa lang ang mag-lead dira, and then a lot of voices as well. Okay, but the beauty of Finma Maayo Tugbok, we have a property management service that will really cater no our clients. So dili na siya naatay duulan na dayon, no, we have an on-site no people or mga employees na ibutang natin to ensure, of course, our safety, no, our security, and of course, if you have needs, no, from time to time, no, ma-address lang siya dayon. So property management service is usually no kani siya ginaano man siya sa mga condominiums, right? So we have a subsidiary company that will take over the property, or they will handle the property if ever ma-turn over na tanan. Okay, so ayan. And then we have a community with a vision, opportunity to start anew. So for Finma, so it is a community that is set to flourish, offering you a chance to begin curating the life that you desire. So yun ang ating mga promises for you to choose, no? For our clients to choose Finma Maayo Tugbok. Okay, so project and focus. So let's take a look at this for our site development plan. Anyway, we will give you sales kit for this. No, so tanawa lang sa ninyo. Sadihan na to kadali. Okay, so this is our SDP or the site development plan. So first, for phase 1, it is called Adlaw Townhouse. For phase 2, that is the Bulan Townhouse, and phase 3 is the Tanglaw Single Attached House. Okay, so Adlaw Townhouse natin, average it is 50 square meter flat area, and then ang Tanglaw Single Attached House na to, that is 80 square meter lot area, and then 67 square meter naman si Bulan Townhouse. Okay, so when you visit our site, okay, so this is the main road. Okay, so kaning main road na to, if you would kani siya nga dalan pasulod ni sa ato ang project, ang mubungad sa inyo ha is the sales and marketing office actually. So we have a sales and marketing office di adtua, and beside that is our house model unit. No, so kani siya kung mahuman gyud ni ang ato ang tibuok project sa mo na ni ang iyang dagway. Okay, so sales and marketing office, and we have the commercial area, and then Unahan is the guardhouse. This is the entryway and then exit way. So sa entryway, inigsulod mo sa guardhouse, ang bungad niya actually are the Tanglaw single attached house. So mooning mga balay nga mubungad sa atoa ang mga Tanglaw. Okay? So if kuan nato ang ato ang Tanglaw also, this is where the Madayao Clubhouse located, no? Diri ni siya na-locate. So, if makita ninyo ang mga streets niya, since pinmamaayo man siya, so Bisaya man siya, na Cebuano man siya. So, if makita ninyo ang atong mga streets are also in Cebuano dialect. Okay. So, for us to easily remember, the site development plan, okay? So, adlaw, kani siya nga area, kaning mga adlaw diri kaning na sa mga orange colored, no? Kay it is where the sun rises, and then our bulan ato ang nasa front, kani sila ang nasa atubangan nato. It is where the sun sets. Okay, adlaw is sunrise, bulan is sunset. Okay, so of course itang law is at the center. Right. Okay, and then for, again, our development type is house and lot, and then area is 9.6 hectares. Total number of saleable units is 622 with saleable area of 43.5%. And then the percentage of open spaces, including the roads, is 38.1%. And the parks and amenity area is 18.4%. All right, so this is one of the things na ginapangutana ninyo sa amo. Ma'am, when is the turnover date? Okay, the turnover date for our adlaw na townhouse, kani siya, will be next year. That's last quarter of next year. And then ang bulan naman is 2026 Q4 gihapon, no, last quarter of 2026, and Tanglaw is last quarter of 2027. So the totality of our project will really be mahuman gyud siya tanan, no, 2028. We expect it na mahuman siya in 2028. And by the way, no, ang ato ang projects dito, ang adlaw townhouses nato, up na ni siya nga mga blocks. No, so ginasugdan na nato ni siya og construct di adtua. And then probably next month masugdan na pud nato ang bulan, no, ng mga townhouses. So if you have the time to visit our project or our location, so please do so. Okay, and then adlaw townhouse nato natay 174 units, Andy. Okay, so ang 174 units na siya lot area nga 50 square meters and floor area of 48.26 square meters. And then for module B nato, ang bulan nato kay na siya 224 units. Okay, so ang Tanglaw naman is 224 units gihapon. So balikan ako ang bulan na atay lot area of 67 square meters and then floor area of 70.27 square meters. And then ang Tanglaw lot area of 80 square meters and then floor area of 74.26 square meters. Okay, so later on I will let you see our inventory so you would know kung unsang ato ang pwede mga ipamaligya. Actually, sige, mag-una na lang ako. Adlaw townhouse nato is already sold out, so wala na tayo available diri because paspas kay ni siya na hurot na kay this is non-VAT actually. So ano ni siya 3.5 lang manggod ni siya, non-VAT pa siya. So wala na ni atong 174 units. The available units that we have is ano na lang bulan and Tanglaw. Okay? And then mo ni siya kaganina ato ang project features. We have the commercial area and the Madayao Clubhouse, our amenities. And then main road and secondary road. So you would like to know kung unsa kadako ang iyahang road. Okay, so iyahang dalan for the main road we have 12 meters wide road right of way, and then 1.2 meters wide ang sidewalk niya on each sides with 0.8 meter wide planting strips on each sides. And then for secondary roads natin, we have 10 meter wide road right of way and then 1.2 meter wide sidewalk on each sides naman din. So we also have sa mga secondary roads natin na atay 8 meter and then 4 meter wide. Okay, so mo na ang ato ang sizes no for our roads. Main road and then secondary road. Okay, and then okay, so dirita ato ang amenities. Okay, so ako ang katong gipakita sa inyo kaganina na ad. So na naman to'y glimpse no of our amenities. So this is the architect's perspective for our guardhouse. Okay, so this is our guardhouse. Our guardhouse has CCTV and then with RFID access card as well. So our Madeo Clubhouse na facade. So this is the facade of our Madeo Clubhouse. Then pool area natin. So we have two, diba? We have adults and the children's swimming pool. So this is our Madeo Clubhouse na swimming pool and then lobby area. Our lobby area is very aesthetic, no? So it is like you are entering a hotel, no? So we have ground floor and second floor for this. And then we have the basketball court outdoor. Ang ating basketball court, we have the parking lot for our clubhouse. We have, of course, the fitness gym, which is provision siya. So kato ako ang giingon kaganina na it's open for lease. And then fitness studio provision. And then playground. And then kids play area sa sulod. And then function hall. Okay, so our function hall is conference type siya. So we also have the co-working space. So naa siya mga tables and chairs no inside our clubhouse. And then this one, house modules natin. So when you know your family deserves the best, you'll never settle for less because Finma Maayo Tugbok will give you superior materials and finishes, exceptional amenities, greater security, better green architecture, and advanced justification, and more value for money. Okay, so ito yung checklist natin. Okay, for Finma Maayo Tugbok, it is well-designed ergonomic home, diverse amenities that cater to your needs, strategic location away from congestion, gated community with RFID access and CCTV, and then roving security. Okay, so these are the sample na mga turnover unit nato, no? Mo ni siya ang sa sulod, no? Architect's perspective nato for adlaw. So again, ang adlaw nato nga mga units are already sold out. So skip na to ni. So makita ninyo, actually we have a house model unit sa adlaw already di adtua. So come visit Finma Maayo Tugbok so you would see na kung unsa ang dagway sa ato ang sa ato ang project. Okay? So for adlaw 2-story townhouse, so discuss lang ako ni briefly. It has a lot area of 50 square meters, floor area of 48.26, 2 bedrooms siya, 2 toilet and bath, service area, kitchen and dining area, 1 car garage or carport, and we have a rainwater collector. And then these are the sizes for our first floor and second floor to those clients who wanted to know the turnover floor plan and suggested floor plan. Here it is. And then the turnover unit, of course. So for our kitchen, no, sa tanang units na to actually kay naa na siya cabinet daan. So fully finished siya. Then adlaw dressed up unit na to. Okay? And then if our clients wanted to know the specs or the specifications for our adla or for our units, so naa siya diri tanan kung unsa atong gigamit sa doors, sa floors, sa walls, no, so sa ceiling, so naa siya diri. And then this is our Bulan 2-story townhouse. So it has a lot area of 67 square meters and total floor area of 70.27 square meters. It is a bit bigger than ang iyahang second floor, mas dako siya, 35.29 ang second floor niya. And then ang Bulan na ay tulo ka bedroom. Then sa naa siya 2 toilet and bath pod, naa siya kitchen and dining area, service area, 1 car garage carport, rainwater collector and solar panel. Actually, for all of our units, no? For Adlaw, Bulan, and Tanglaw. Adlaw has no solar panel, but Bulan has solar panel. Okay, we have Bulan and Tanglaw. Naa siya solar panel. So later I will discuss to you ano na to siya, i-discuss na to mas in detail. Okay, ang mga solar panels or our sustainability features. Okay, so Bulan is a townhouse. So if you would ask me, kung naa kay pangutana sa ako karon, ma'am, what if na ako'y client na duha ka buk ihang palito na bulan, no? Pwede ba nga ano siya, pwede siya isumpay nato, no? Or kanang kuan allowed ba na? So yes, pwede kaayo, except dili siya pwede hilabtan ang iyahang exterior, only the interior. Okay, so kung pabuslutan sa sulod or ano, kamo na bahala sa design sa inyong balay sa sulod, basta dili jud mahilabtan ang ato ang exterior. So we keep it as is. Okay, and then we also allow only fence for our houses, no? And then we also allow canopy for our carport. Okay, but for the canopy, it could not be dili gid siya nato ginaalaw nga i-maximize siya as naa siya second floor. Okay, others would want it na gusto nila na ay second floor ang ilahang canopy. Canopy lang gid siya. Okay, so ano lang gid siya, naalang gitabo ng ato ang mga sakinan. Okay, so mo na ang ato ang Bulan 2-story townhouse. And then this is the sizes for our first floor and second floor, and we also have the turnover floor plan and suggested floor plan. Okay, and then we have the Bulan turnover unit. Okay, for our bedrooms ato ang Bulan, kay ang tanang bedrooms niya na anay nana siya cabinets, no? So nana siya wardrobe cabinets already. So dili na kinahanglan mamalit pa og mga anything para mabutangan sa mga sinina or for our wardrobes kay nana siya daan. And then ang kitchen area nana pud siya cabinets daan. So ayan, that is the glimpse of the turnover unit for our Bulan. Then for dressed up unit nato, if you wanted to have it na magpa-interior mo, so this is the sample. And then specifications, of course. So naapod ni siya sa atong sales kit. Okay, so Tanglaw. Okay, for our Tanglaw, we have 2-story single attached home. So the total lot area, no, of our Tanglaw is 80 square meters and total floor area of 74.6 square meters. And then, nani siya tulo ka bedrooms, napod siya tulo ka toilet and bath, naa siya service area, and you also have kitchen and dining area. We have patio and veranda. As you can see here, this is the patio and the veranda. And then 1-car garage carport, and then rainwater collector and solar panel. Okay, so this is the sample photo of our Tanglaw, no, with patio or veranda. Okay, so next we have areas or the sizes for our first floor and second floor. We have the turnover floor plan and suggested floor plan. And the turnover unit, of course, our bedrooms also in Tanglaw, naana po siya mga cabinets. Naana siya wardrobe cabinets already. And also our kitchen, of course, naana po siya cabinet. Okay, then this is the sample dressed up unit for our Tanglaw. And then specifications, okay, specifications natin for Tanglaw are kani. So okay. And then so mo ni siya kung giingon na we will discuss about our sustainability features for our project. So it is very important that we live in an eco-living na community. So these are the sustainability features that we offer here in FINMA Maayo Tugbok. So we have the rainwater collector. So this is the face of a rainwater collector, and it is actually 500 liters siya with faucet already. So, pati rainwater collector aesthetic, no? And then for our solar panel, okay, so mo ang specifications nato sa solar panel. Ang watts niya, kay for bulan, we have 1,410 watts and for tangla, 1,860 watts. If you would ask me, ma'am, unsa may makayaan ng inyong solar panel? Of course, kaya niya ang tibuok balay. So with savings to the electricity bill of 30% to 40%, up to 50% actually. So this is not the usual solar panel that we just bought, like the puchu-puchu ones, no? But this is actually the legit one because this is in partnership with Finma Solar. Okay, so the battery requirement, it has no battery. And the type of solar of it is on grid, and then savings to electricity bill 30% to 40% on sunny day. And then kapag without direct sunlight naman, naa siya 20% to 30%. Okay, so time of energy collection 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. with peak collection time at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. because they say that it is the most init time of the day. No? And then the panel warranty niya, meron tayong panel warranty ng 25 years. And then weight of panels is for 3 units at 30 to 35 kilogram per panel. So this is the sample panel, no, for our solar. So kani siya, it is ang iyahang ang iyahang kabug-aton, no, ang iyahang weight is 30 to 35 kilo. So medyo gid siya, bugat gid siya. Then for tangla, then sa bulan tulo ka buok ingon ani. Ang tanglaw nato upat ka buok ingon ani. Okay, so what are the additional benefits for this? Okay, so heat absorption and roof protection can extend the lifespan of the roof as the solar panels will absorb the energy from sunlight. So since kani siya kaninga kaninga solar panel nato, siya ang mukuha man directly sa sunlight, and then kapag mag-ulan, no, diretso sa iya. So ibig sabihin ma-extend ang life sa ato ang roof. Okay, sa iya haman pa dong. Okay? And then extra feature nato, you can actually download an application no to be installed to your smartphone. So you could know, makabalo ka, no, then ma-monitor nimo ang energy consumption and power distribution from both Davao Light and the solar panel. So mahibal-an nimo kung unsa nang percentage sa iyang energy no sa ato ang solar panel, and then asa na siya, ang power distribution niya asa na siya. And then permits and requirements, of course, Finma Solar, the supplier, will assist the government requirement affected with the installation of our solar panels. Okay, so nindot ba ang ato ang sustainability features? Did you find it nice ba? Okay, so mo na siyang isa sa mga highlights nato sa ato ang project because we have a sustainability feature. Okay, so house features nato, we have individual metered utility, provision for telephone, provision for cable connection. We have provision for internet or fiber connection, and then usable outdoor space. And as I've said a while ago, that we have a dedicated property management service on site. So we have this one, we have a guarded gate with 24-hour roving personnel, maintenance and repair service, general maintenance and common areas, utilities, applications, and assistance, no, for this. So, okay. I'm actually, doon lang ko, hapit na kumuhuman. Okay. So, for our reservation agreement, so this is the, muna siya ang nagway sa ato ang reservation agreement. Okay. So, this is very important for us to know kung unsa ang naa sa reservation agreement kung naa natay kliyente. Okay, so it is stated there in our reservation agreement in number 15, the neighboring estate. The buyer confirms that he is aware that the neighboring estate is a poultry farm that is not within 1 kilometer radius from the project. Okay, so kani siya, kaning ato ang neighboring estate, so naa siya'y silingan, natay silingan dari nga poultry farm. And I know that you are familiar that Tugbok area, Kalinan area is an agricultural area, manggid, no? Kanang yutaan na, agricultural area, manggid na siya. Pero, manggod, pag abot sa pag abot sa karon na panahon, nahimo na siyang residential area. Okay? So, naa siya poultry farm sa atong silingan, pero good news, before na nato ma-turn over kaning mga units nato, wala na sila. No? So, kasi kapag ting harvest time sa poultry, agad siya mga bisita. So, who are our visitors? We welcome our visitors there. Natay mga bisita sa higid ng mga langaw. But it's not smelly, but naalang ito yung mga visitors at times, no? So, we wanted you to, of course, i-disclose po ni nato sa itong mga clients, no? Pero, of course, i-explain lang po nato sa ilaha later on na before ma-turnover ang mga units nato, dahil wala na sila. Okay, so, ayan. So, that's our reservation agreement and for the authority to move in. Okay, so authority to move in natin fee computation. So, mo ani siya ang ato ang detailed na computation. Okay, so one-time membership fee of 10,000, construction bond of 10,000 but refundable ang 10,000, and then processing fee of 7,000, a total of 27,000. And then please be informed that the monthly dues for PMT or FINMA Maayo Tugbok is 20 pesos per square meter. So ibig sabihin for a townhouse na 50, we have 1,000, then next to that is 1,340, and then 1,600. So mo ni siya ang ato ang mga monthly dues nato. Okay? So naanay 27,000. Okay? And then okay, so mo na siya ang ato ang reservation agreement and then authority to move in. So anyone, pwede mo mag-ask a question na napa ko isumpay later on so that we would know the inventory and the Sige. Naamoy mga gusto i-ask before we will proceed.
I love that thing.
I'm open for those na gusto mag-ask or anyone. We're quiet kayo. Okay pa ba mo diha? Okay lang ba ta diha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. So sige, I will share my food for our computation.
Kuan siya.
Nabamuyan na ginagawa. Wala.
Ang style ana mukabit yung
Can you see my screen, guys?
So, si Maria na i-master file sa budget.
Makita ninyo, no?
For the month of July, morning mga activities na i-budget. So, mo ito yung request na.
Yes po. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So, this is the initial computation sheet no for our. So, wala na ako gilatag ang adlaw because ang adlaw mo good ubos na ang ato ang adlaw. So, ang adlaw na to 3.5 million siya. But for our bulan, ang ato ang amount na siya sa 5.8. Okay, so total pero ang TSP na to, it depends actually for block and lot niya. Okay, so square meters ani 67. So this is sample computation for 14 and 16 and the lot is regular. Okay, so for the total selling price, it is 5.3 million. Less buyers promo na to. Actually extended ni up to this month. Okay, so net selling price of 4.9 and then additional of VAT na 12% because pila gani ang vatable, no? 3. Dito bag direct. 3.6, no? Ayan. So last year ang DIR naghatag sa ato og 3.199 but this year 3.6 ayan. Okay, so since naabot man siya no man siya sa iyahang kuan so atong gitag battery. So add processing fee. Ang processing fee would include our of course the transfer of title, pay of taxes, ayan. And then total selling price VAT and PF inclusive is 5.7. So how much ma'am is the reservation fee for bulan? For bulan it is 10,000 and then for tanglaw 15,000 po tayo. Okay, so less na tong reservation fee there is so total selling price niya the TSP or the total contract price niya is 5.7. Okay, so this is a sample computation for bank. So for bank financing options, we have 1090. Okay, 10% down payment and 90% estimated loan value. Okay, so for 5.7, ang 90% estimated loan value niya is 5.1 with 10% down payment 577,200. Okay, so this is your equity. Okay, so this sample computation is 60 months to pay. So 60 months is equivalent to 5 years, right? Okay, so bayaran na to ang 2% on November. So that's 16 million from 1st to 8th month. But ang installment basis niya, inigabot sa December 2024 to May 2029, 8.8 na lang. So muna niya hang binulan. Okay, for our down payment. And depende siya kung pila ang gusto nga months to pay sa ato ang kliyente. Okay, so the higher the months to pay, of course, the lower the installment basis. But if the lower the the months to pay, of course, mataas gyud ang iyang installment basis. Okay, so the 90% balance, which is the 5.1, will be payable to the bank if ever kani siya bank man gini siya. Okay, so our accredited banks, we have BDO, Union Bank, and RCBC. So for BDO, actually the year terms already for our BDO is 25 years na siya. So the sample computation that I have here is 15 years pang iyang year terms. Okay, so kung pananglitan 5.1 man ang iyang 90% balance, so ang iyang monthly amortization ana moabot siya og 48,897.39. Okay, so that is for sa sulod sa 15 ka tuig mo ni iyang bayaran. So ang at tanawon pud nato ang iyang gross income, of course. Ang iyang gross income dapat moabot siya 162,991. No, this is very important because our office we require our clients to present their income. Okay, so nagapangita gyud mi ana. No, so 162,991. So you would say, taas sa uy, ngano kuan man kaayo, no? Medyo mahal gid siya, no? Or I mean, dako ra kaayo ang iyang gross income. But good news, if ever our really client is kanang sunada gid siya, gusto gid siya mukuha no sa ato ang property, they are allowed to have co-borrower of at least 2. Okay, so I mean max of 2 pala, 2 people. So your combined income, no, if makaabot ani, so ayan, pwede na kayo, pasok na tayo. Okay, so for Union Bank, medyo gamay-gamay ang iyang gross income din. So that is the sample computation for our bank. Okay, for our HDMF or Pag-ibig. Okay, for our Pag-ibig, ang loanable man nato kay Pag-ibig, no, kay up to 6 million man, so kaabot pag yun si bulan nato. So total selling price sample diri 5.3, and then buyers promo of 200,000, net selling price of 5.1, add VAT is much bigger, no siya, no, mas dako-dako ni siya for black 18/20/21 for regular lot. And then add processing fee, and then PF inclusive, total, and then reservation fee of 10,000. So ang total contract price niya is na ni siya. Abot siya 6,008,000. Okay? So 1090 gihapon atong payment options diri. So the estimated loan value is 5.4, and then the down payment is 600,000. Okay, so this is the sample computation for 60 months. Okay, so 5 years to pay ang imuhang equity or ang imuhang down payment. So straight monthly nimo only 10,000. Okay, so nga na lang siya kagamay, pero the lower ang months to pay na imuhang gusto mo, dako po niyang atong straight monthly payment. Okay, so for loan value monthly amortization for the 90% na loanable, so for 30 years, ang imuhang monthly amortization kay 36,554, which will be paid directly to Pag-ibig. Okay, so thus gross income required is money siya 104,440. So again, if taas ra kaayo, pwede kaayo na ay co-borrowers, no, at least 2. Okay, and then for other year terms, we have 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Okay, then for tanglaw na to, this is the sample computation for bank. Okay, so since nilagpas naman siya sa loanable sa Pag-ibig, so the only option that we have is the bank financing and the in-house financing. So this is the sample computation for bank financing. So 1090 gihapon. So 90% estimated loan value 7.4 and then 10% down payment of 824,000. Okay? So total DPNPF of 824 mo ni siyang imuhang equity. So installment basis nato for 60 months straight is 13,741.67. Okay, and then 70%, the 90% balance, dili na siya 70, the 90% balance is 7.4, which is payable na nato sa bank, mo na ni ang atong monthly. Medyo dako gyud si tanglaw. So, for us to remember, adlaw is 3.5, bulan is 5.8, nag-range dira tanglaw is 8.2. Okay, for in-house nato, medyo dako gyud ni. Ang ato ang monthly amortization, and ang per annum niya nga percentage interest rate is 16% per annum. Okay? So ayan, mao na siya ang ato ang computation for tanglaw bulan, for tanglaw and bulan. Do you have question? O admit na to. Do you have clarification po sa ating If none, inventory. Tama. Inventory, wait lang. Share ko yung inventory.
Na ako gipauaran kay Rubio, PPSMI dapat. Kuan ko checker as details of PPSMI.
Okay, i-share ko lang ha. Wait lang. Okay, so this is the inventory for tanglaw. So ang tanglaw nato, ang ato ang nahalin, gamay pa lang actually. So we have more or less 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pa lang. So we have 16. So pwede pa kita magbenta ni 8.2 million kuni siya. And then for our bulan, so daghan pag available actually. So we have still 100 plus for our bulan. But anyway, our broker coordinator po, si Miss Grachi, will give you this. Okay? So, i-share lang po na ako ni per tranche ang ato ang commission. Okay, for our commission, if ever makabenta man ta per tranche ang ato ang ma-receive po. Okay? So, okay, so money siya. Okay, so if ever makabenta ka og tanglaw, say, makabenta ka og tanglaw, wala mo ko kabalo kung pila ang inyuhang ang inyuhang commission. So if ever ang inyuhang commission out of 8.2 million is 200,000. So per tranche nimo na siya madawat. So 15% of 200,000 will be your first commission na ma-receive nimo, first tranche nimo. Given that your client will comply these criteria. We have notice of credit evaluation, complete PDCs, and signed contract to sell. Okay? So, for the second tranche, ma-receive nimo imuhang 25% sa 200,000 if ang ato ang client makapay na og 5% of the contract price, and then third, 35% if full payment of DP balance, complete documentary requirements, and lastly, if ma-loan take out na siya of 25%. Kapag deferred cash naman, of course, same gihapon, but ang 35% madawat niya kung complete ang documentary requirements, and then additional payment of 18% makuha na nimo tanan-tanan if deferred cash or spot cash. Okay, so that's all for our PKS this afternoon. So now I am open for question. So question and answer po tayo. So if you have questions, so please pwede na po niyong erase mga questions niyo if you have. I guess nasabtan sa tanan. I guess nasabtan sa tanan lang ako ang pag-explain sa to ang project no camera, wala man siguro nang matan.
Nasabtan ba ma'am and sir?
Okay lang, ma'am.
So Jake, kasi na kay question.
Diyan rami, ma'am, kung makalimutan na.
Sige po, si Miss Grace or si Miss Grachi, siya po magbibigay sa inyo ng mga the sales kit or the marketing materials if you need po. So, also the videos and everything, ipaprovide po yan ni Miss Grachi sa inyo. So, please approach her. She is our broker coordinator actually. Okay, so if we are all good, thank you so much. Can we take a photo? Can you please open your camera so I could take a photo? Ayan. Thank you so much. Sige. I will be waiting for others to open your camera so that I could take a photo. This is very quick lang po. Para makita ko po yung mga magagandang faces niyo. Ayan. Thank you so much for opening your cameras. So mga nagwagapuhan, mga nagagandahang mga salesperson po natin sa RME Realty. Ayan. So please wag po tayong mahiya to open our cameras. So Miss Grachi is actually in our sales marketing office and also with Rachel. So sila yung mga mo sila ang sa inyo ha, mag-abi-abi sa inyo ha di adto if mo adto mo. Okay? So there are still people who are not yet opening their cameras, or you don't have cameras video, or maybe naamo sa gawas or what. Quick lang, we will take a photo lang quickly. Okay? All right, sige. Sige, I think everyone is ready na. So I'll take a picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile everyone, smile. Okay, thank you so much. I'm done. Okay, so salamat kaayo sa inyong pag-attend karong kahaponon, and see you if mag-visit mo sa ito ang sa ato ang project ni adto. And happy selling everyone and good afternoon. Have a good day.
Thank you Miss I. Thank you Team RME.
Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you.